kids. Let's do some more number review. Recognition of numbers is very important. We need them just like that. So right now, let me just tell you on my sparkly background that I have 6 numbers, and underneath one of my number cards is a shell hiding. Yes, a secret shell is hiding behind one of these cards. I want you to look real closely, and I want you to guess which one it's hiding behind. Which one looks like there might be a shell hiding behind it? Did you make your guess? Okay, point at it. All right, we'll see if you're right. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Look at all these numbers and tell me which one says 48. What do you hear first? 48. Which one says 48? Did you say this one here? No, that's 44. Did you say this one here? No, that's 40. That can't be right. Where's the other 40 family one? 48. 48. I bet some of you got that first thing. That's good. You got that one? Give yourself a pat on the back. Let me replace it. There was no shell behind that one. So if you guessed 48, you were wrong. Which one says 11? That's what I always do. Why? Because you guys always seem to have a problem with that one. Which one says 11? Did you choose this one? Good job. Did you point to it? Make sure you're pointing to it. Let's see if the shell's behind 11. It's not. Well, let's see. Replace that one. Alrighty, kids. Which one says 40? Plain old 40. No extras. 40. Did you point to this one? Good. Do you think there's a shell behind it? 1, 2, 3. Nope. No shell. Oh, I think somebody lost on that one. Here we go. Replace it. All right. Which one says 44? 40. That's right. 44. Do not get that confused with 14. 44. All right. Who's guessing there's a rock behind, or a shell behind this card? Oh, I think some of you are. 1, 2, 3. No shell. You are wrong again. Oh boy. Let's replace it with another number. All right. Where is number 9? Number 9. Where is number 9? Point to it. Did you point here? If you pointed here, put your thumb up. All right, good job. Do you think there's a shell behind it? There is a shell behind it. I wonder if you guessed this one. If you did, there is a shell. And there's a shell with a hole in it. Huh? Isn't that pretty? Shells are so beautiful. Very pretty. Okay, let's replace that one. You guessed that. You are good. All right, which one says 32? 32. 32. 32. Gotta listen real well. 32. Good. Let's replace it. Let's go a little faster. 75. 75. 75. Now, here's a tricky one. I want you to listen very carefully because both of these get mixed up. One is named 15. One is named 50. 15, 50. And we know 15, teen means there's a 1 in front. So 15 must be which one? Must be this one here. That leaves this one to be 50. 50. Don't get those confused. 50 and 15 are very different. We got a few more. Oh, my last ones. Here we go. Let's get them done. These two have something in common. They both have a 1 in front, which makes them teens. 16, 14. 16, 14. All right. Last 4. Ooh, I have 3 in the 20s family. What is this fellow right here? Say them good and loud. 49. 49. 49. Who's this? 20. 20. All right. Let's see. Let's do this one next. Which one is that? 22. 22. All right. And last one. What number is that, class? 23. 23. What? How did that shell get back over here again? Does it have legs? Did it crawl over here? I've never seen a shell crawl. That must be a magic shell. What do you think? I think it's a magic shell. Do you have any shells around your house? Maybe today is a day to go look at your shells and maybe count all their little lines or measure them from smallest to bigger and biggest. Or maybe even make a shell stack. Stack them up and see how tall you can make them. Be creative while you're home. Be creative.